youth
We got a problem.
Mela problem rabo ro angdo se bungise
16 years old Ajalis club Facebook out looking cute Hena comment kalam gra Taya samsaba Park boys purato Hena sona nang kone kalam gan haba Compliment and compliment Nang labi ne parents ni supplement Local fashion so over ramp Wak mun by be runner up Teenage with wannabe attitude Kau kone Sun by be Victoria ni secret model Daya nagir gasine as a boyfriend DSLR ni owner book sab Zabai bini takai poison Based on true story Nonga be item song Bollywood ni Binanawa Birga sayne Zaganang be Bollywood ni actress sanga sayne Binanawa Birga sayne
We got a problem.
Garment sneakers, high heels ni Zabai fan, luxurious item ni seeker belong from middle class family. Bimaya kai saha bilai as a family. Photo shoot, junk photo shoot, luxurious hotel lao, mirror selfie. Parents are zaya sungkri banlu gaya ungkri. Binanawa lengene cocktail beer zeng ram, hanging out with new people every day. Mocking on her body is just a compliment, ayy. Bina nawa birga sayna, Birga sayna, Birga sayna, ayy. As of 21, she got pregnant. After breaking out with her drug and the boyfriend side, she was already suffering from HIV.
We got a problem.
All started from a single text, maybe uncivilized sadness. I kalam focus on topic bad body. Zengko uncivilized sana, Hey, rest in peace, Bina now.
We got a problem.